Mike Stokes, Lush Planet Design Build. Today I'm just going to show you a little trick about how to get a rusty bolt out. We're in coastal California, as you can see, that rusty hinge which we need to remove to replace the door. So the trick is super easy. Basically just take, this happens to be an old flathead slot, and so you just give it a nice tap, good love tap, and then it should release and twist out. So you can see I got this other one out already above it, and it's already released, so this one popped out. We did this one first, so this one, when I banged it, it came loose. You can see it's twisting, but I think I just gonna take, there you go. It just actually came entirely out. There you go, that's it. So when you got a screw that's stuck, whether it's a flathead or a Phillips head, doesn't matter, just bang it, and that'll set the screw head in a little bit better, and then help you release and pull the whole thing out. Let's just get this whole thing out here. All right. And then, since you hung out to the very end of the boring part of the video, you get the philosophical tip. So the philosophical tip is, whatever material you're working with, try to really imagine what that material is like. So rusty metal is really soft. So you're working with a soft material. So that goes for any material, whether it's metal or wood or plastic, especially when we're working with dissimilar metals. Let's say you're working with a brass screw inside a stainless steel hinge. So you're always trying to tune in to what is the hardness of that particular material that you're working with. Have a great day.